Good afternoon, everybody. Now we are going to conduct a heart auscultation. Here is the patient. Hello, my name is Saikiran. Now we are going to conduct heart auscultation. Okay, Antata.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, we will find a heart apex. Here is the heart apex. And at the heart apex, we will hear the sound of the mitral valve. And next is the aortic valve. It's in the second intercostal space. And opposite to that, in the second intercostal space, we will hear the pulmonary valve. And just below the xiphoid process, we will hear the tricuspid valve sound. And in the third intercostal space, we will hear the Helps point. These are 5 points of the heart auscultation points that we are undergoing today.